'cause I'm slowly breaking down, even when I hold you close. Oh, and if I lose you, I'm afraid I would lose who I gave.
Hi guys, so I'm starting out the vlog from tonight. That way I have a bit of footage, and yeah, so my husband is going to his job. Well, he went to his work this morning. He did 8 hours and he's going back for another 3 now. So I'm going with him just to spend some time with the working man. So sorry if you can't see me, and my thing is like blurry. Oh man, it's like really dark. Yeah, so I'm gonna go spend some time with him. And thank you, you're so thoughtful. But yeah, I'm gonna go spend some time with him, and it's kind of nice to be out of the house. The kids kind of freaked out. They were like, bye daddy. And I was like, bye guys. They were like, where are you going? Are you coming back right now? But it felt kind of weird leaving them, but I know my anxiety is about to act up in a little bit, but they're okay. They're in good hands. So I'll see you guys either later tonight or tomorrow. Bye. I like this work truck better than. I like this work truck. Like, it's nicer than the one that you have. It's way nicer. Like,
this is top of the line. This
the
is
leather
truck.
and this is, oh, this was his truck.
This was Vince the owner.
No wonder it's so fancy.
This is the top. You can't get no higher than this.
Can't get no higher than this. And now you have it. This is nice though. You get to ride around in this all day long.
And then you got the strobe lights. So if you were to.
Oh, nice.
Then you got the other light bar.
Look at you, fancy man. Oh, this stinks, honey. Can you put it out or do something? It makes me nauseous.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah. So I'd ask you guys how to transition from a fast to just a transition out, and I figured out that. Oh, yeah. So I figured that I was gonna just transition to smoothies, and then from smoothies start slowly incorporating food back into my diet. And so far so good. I mean, I got sick the other day because I ate was it yesterday? I had burger. It was just burger, no bun, no nothing. It was just the patty, the beef patty, and I got sick. And then now I'm getting stuffy because it's just like, oh. And then the funny thing is, like, family is like so, you know, someone called me up and they were like, you know, they were like lecturing me about what's going on with my son, and not to do the surgery because if I do the surgery he's gonna hate me, and just stupid stuff. Just like they're just like feeding me so much negativity, and it's just like I so want to just cut all the negativity out. Like, I don't talk to my family, but when stuff like this happen and they hear, because my sister, I told her, and then she told my mom, and she told everybody, like, if you want your business to be told to everyone, tell my mother. Like, she will tell everybody. So they've been just like blowing up my phone and leaving messages and stuff like that, and it's just like so annoying. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go because my husband's about to turn these lights off, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. these are the trailers that my husband delivered. So you have the bathroom right there. Got the mirror right there. The sinks. Another bathroom right here. What's this? Another bathroom. Oh my gosh, these are nice. This is nice.
Low class ones, the cheap ones.
The cheap ones?
This is like the second one that they use for the bridal. That's what they're for.
Oh, it's
Grand Bridal.
Grand Bridal too.
They got another nicer ones.
They do. You gotta back up the truck more.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are nice.
Yeah, I gotta fold the steps. Gotta make sure there's nothing.
It's 12:27 a.m. and he just finished picking up the trailer and it's parked and we are on our way home. Look at that. Yeah, so that job is completed and I'm excited. I gotta spend time with you today. It was nice to see what you do on a daily basis to provide for us. But anyways guys, I will see you guys in the morning because tomorrow's Memorial Day. Is it Memorial Day? Yeah, Memorial Day. And we're gonna go hang out with his mom at her house. So I will see you guys then. All right.